Hi, I'm Grant for AO.com and this is a Toshiba 48-inch Full HD LED lit 3D smart TV. That's a bit of a mouthful, but don't worry, we're going to go through all of it in just a couple of seconds. First of all, I want to say that if you want a new flat screen television for your living room and you want a big screen TV without paying out an absolute fortune, this could be a great choice. From a design point of view, it's great for modern living rooms because the combination of the black bezel edging plus the silver down at the bottom on the stand plus the remote control in silver and black as well makes it look really sort of cool and funky. Plus it will match silver or black equipment that you might already own, like a satellite box or a home cinema system. And this TV can be wall mounted as well, so if you want to put it up on the wall, you have got flexibility. Now in terms of picture quality, I think it looks really nice. It has a full HD panel inside there, so if you're moving up from standard definition or HD ready TVs, there's a massive amount of improvement here because you get more pixels on the screen, which makes it sharper and clearer, plus it's lit by LEDs. Additionally, it also has a 400 Hz active motion rate, which means the picture is really smooth. It reduces any sort of juddering or pixelation as things are moving quite quickly, so you don't get ghost-like trails in fast action sequences. This particular TV is also a 3D TV and it uses active 3D technology. This is a little bit different to the 3D you might be used to in the cinemas because the glasses actually have shutters inside them that flicker to turn the picture on and off for each eye, giving you a sense of 3D. Now I'd love to show you how that works, but unfortunately the TV does not include 3D glasses in the package, and if you need them, you'll need to buy them additionally, so that's just something to bear in mind. What I can show you is the smart functionality because this is a smart TV and it's very easy to access on this TV. You just press the button on the remote control that looks like a house. Now, I'll be completely honest with you, it takes a little bit longer than some other smart TVs to actually load up the smart interface, but once you get into it, it's really easy to navigate around and to understand. On the left-hand side of the screen, you get access to your applications for things like catch-up TV services or streaming services or games. On the right-hand side, you can access content from maybe USB pens or hard drives that you've plugged into the TV because you can actually do that really easily. So let's say you've got photos, videos, music on your computer you want to put onto your TV, put them on a USB pen, plug it in, and then go to the category you want. So I'm going to go to my music. In just a couple of seconds, it's going to populate a list up with all the different options of my songs that I've got available to me, and I can play it in just a couple of seconds by picking the one I want and pressing play. As easy as that. And I can turn it up nice and loud as well. Now, being completely honest with you, the volume on this TV isn't room shaking. It is fairly quiet compared to other TVs of this size, but that is because the TV is so slimline. They can't really fit in big, powerful speakers. To contend with that, if you wanted to, you could always plug in something like a sound-based soundbar or home cinema system if you have one, or buy one at a later date if you don't. And you can actually connect up quite a few different gadgets and gizmos really easily. But before we do that, I want to show you one more thing. This particular TV has a really handy feature built into it, where you can actually control devices that you've plugged into it from this remote control. So if I just go back to the games console we've been using to play footage on this television, I'll actually load it up for you, and you can see when the footage starts playing, all I've got to do is press the pause button on the TV remote and the footage will just stop, as easy as that. It makes it a really unified experience when you are using other bits of technology with this TV. And if you want to connect up those bits of technology, it's very easy to do so because this particular TV has 3 HDMI ports, 2 USB ports, component, SCART, digital, VGA, headphone socket, Ethernet, built-in Wi-Fi and built-in Freeview, so everything you need is waiting for you on the inside. It is a very simple television to understand and to use, but it gives you lots of different things that you might use on a daily basis, such as smart, and if you want 3D, it's waiting for you as long as you buy the glasses. But you might need a hand getting it set up or put onto its stand or even mounted onto the wall, so why not check out the installation services on our website. For now though, thanks very much for watching.